Ni hao, huayin, glongling.
Guangling.
Okay. Ni hao, huayin,
Huayin.
huayin, glongling.
No, Ni hao.
Ni hao,
Huayin.
huayin,
Guangling.
glongling.
There,
Ni hao, huayin, glongling.
there we go. I'm doing a languages club at school. We're doing this presentation where we have to say hello and welcome in different languages, and I'm doing Mandarin, so I've learnt it already, which is really cool. Ni hao, huayin, guangling, which is hello and welcome in Mandarin.
We're making chicken with a green bean salad from...
This is a really nice family recipe, and I hope you try this recipe and like it because it's one of our favourite chicken recipes.
Oh
You want to chop this thyme so that it's nice and fine like this. Put it all in there. You just want to release it so that it's everywhere.
Darcy. So this mixture is going to be used for the chicken, and we're going to add some... What else are we going to add?
So garlic's a really great food. Not only is it really good for your immune system and also your heart, it also keeps the vampires away as well.
Garlic's hard to crush.
This lemon rind, because it's all off, it's much easier to juice the lemon because the skin is softer. I mean, look at that. Don't leave the pips of the lemon in the pot because otherwise you will be eating pips and it won't taste very nice. But
I will destroy you. I think you can do the rest of the crushing, Dash. We're about to put in the chicken. We're just waiting on the slow coach to do the garlic. You can use thighs, you can use legs, you can use drumsticks, same thing. You can use breast, you can use belly, you can use butt. While Darshan is cleaning up, I'm going to talk to you about handling chicken. When you're handling chicken, when you're touching it, you need to kind of plan what you're going to do next, because if you touch it, then you need to wash your hands suddenly. How am I going to turn on the tap? Well, can't really do it with my elbow because that's going to be tricky and it might spurt everywhere if you put it on high water. And you can't use your hands because if anyone else touches it and touches their mouth, then it can be very dangerous. So you need to always have somebody else to help you in the kitchen. So clean hands before we dig in. So these are the drumsticks, these are the thighs.
we're doing 4 drumsticks and 8 thighs because we've got people here.
There we go, there's our chicken. We need to stuff the skin. Woohoo!
Now I'm going to start doing the beetroot. And
Beetroot's a really great food. Not only does it make your poo turn purple, but it also helps to increase blood flow. So a lot of people even have it before they do exercise because it can help them run faster.
so today I'm using turmeric coconut oil, so that's why it's really yellow. But you just want to rub them so that they're a bit covered. Chuck the beetroot into the oven, and I preheated the oven to 200 degrees.
Taragon. Please, can you put the tap on?
It's done the water softly so that it doesn't splash and contaminate this area.
The chicken is going to take 45 minutes and we can put it in with the beetroot. And of course you need oven gloves.
Anis, that might be a bit heavy.
Okay, you
Do you want me to take it? Chicken going in.
Coconut and beetroot, coconut and beetroot. There's boiling water, there's salt in the water, and the beans that we're going to put in, these ones right here, are topped and tailed.
When you cut the pepper, don't cut all the way through. You just want to carve round and Try not to waste too much of the top of the pepper. And then watch this. No seeds in there, definitely no seeds. So you're chopping them into slithers like this, look. You want them into slithers about that size.
If you drop the ingredients too high, then it will splash back. But if you just gently place them in and take a big handful and just place it in gently. Almost done. So these go in for 4 minutes.
Would you like to try a red pepper?
I had no choice.
They're really sweet,
So
this one.
sweet.
How long have those peppers been in for? I mean, those
They've
green
been
beans.
in for about 2 minutes.
About?
Das, can you pour these green beans into the colander?
So they need to be run with cold water so that they don't keep cooking and then they will get dull. So we want them to stay green.
Eat your greens.
But we don't mean those greens. Fry these peppers with some olive oil. So you want to put this on a decently high heat. You just want to do it until they're soft. I'm not sure if everyone knows. It starts with a C. What is it, Anis?
I don't know. Crab?
Today we're going to be using capers.
Crab.
Today we're going to be using
Crab.
Oh, just be quiet, Anis.
Crab.
So, now these peppers are nice and soft. Put these peppers in here, nice and soft. They're just going to cool down a bit.
Rest.
In the meantime, on the same pan, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You just want to thinly slice this garlic. Three cloves of garlic really thinly. 50 grams of capers. Be careful.
They spit.
Just going to let that cook for a bit. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds.
I recommend not eating this before work or an important day ahead because it has a lot of garlic.
And then 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. And now I'm just going to chop 3 spring onions. I'm just going to chop it, and you want to thinly slice them. Going to go.
Cover every pepper and every bean with...
So this is 3 spring onions that we're using today.
Nice. It's going to give it a bit more of a toss, and I think it is done.
Let's get to plating. It looks so
amazing.
good.
Right. If you're going to bite into the leg, you don't need a knife and fork. Oh. Oh. That is so good. Well, thank you.
Before we go, we need to say something.
嗨夹海姆，我们喜欢你的视频，我们很乐意邀请你参加这个节目。
Someone made an amazing chicken chow mein, and we really want him to come on the show. Jahim, you know who you are. You are coming on KidLivZ. No matter what you say, you're going to be on KidLivZ, and we'll cook something with you.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye bye. Chicken.